Energy Day. Piny Kenya ikoni dhi nyime kod keto okenge makare maneno ni nengo modhi kod teko stima ohinyo oganda. Kane gilose nyasi no mano bagi Mombasa, moko kuom jolony manie sekta mar weche teko stima okoni kata bedo ni oganda mathoth ywak ne pacho kaendi kaluwore gi nengo mauta kod stima. Piny owacho osebedo katemo keto chenro mag duoko nengo, kata kamano giwacho ni nitiere dwaro mar piny Kenya sumo kit pinje mamoko ma nengo mauta kod stima nitiere piny, gino mikoni medo ting'o malo chenro mag ohala kod uchumi mar pinjego.
We're doing well in terms of efforts to reduce the cost of power. As you know, earlier in the year there was a 15% reduction in electricity cost. There was also a proposed another 15% reduction, and this is despite what is happening across the world, that the cost of energy has been going up. So I think as a country there's a concerted effort definitely to reduce that cost of power. There's also efforts from the regulator EPRA in encouraging energy management and energy efficiency as a way also of cost reduction. There's also been a concerted effort in helping people adopt cleaner energy like solar. So solar, as we speak right now, is VAT exempt. So that's just a way of helping people get access to this energy at lower cost.
We are looking at coming up with approaches which are on that global level, acknowledging what others are doing, but also capitalizing in our resources. We, of course, are in the tropics. We have a lot of solar, we have a lot of geothermal, but there's also a lot which is happening with regards to other new technologies and advance, and it's important for us to be alive to all that and sort of incorporate all these approaches to coming up with a wholesome solution to energy access.